What's the meaning of baste? Baste. Baste.
Baste. Baste. The word baste can have multiple meanings depending on the context. One common definition is to moisten meat or poultry with its own juices or other liquids while it cooks in order to keep it from drying out. Another meaning is to temporarily stitch fabric together with long, loose stitches, usually with thread that contrasts with the fabric color, in order to hold it in place before permanently sewing it. Additionally, baste can refer to pouring melted fat or gravy over cooked meat or to verbally scold or criticize someone harshly. Overall, the term baste implies some kind of repeated or ongoing action, often in a cooking or sewing context.